Good evening to all. I am Aishwarya Gopi, studying 2nd standard in Kendra Vidyalaya, Tiruvarur at Tamil Nadu. At the outset, I am extremely grateful to my class teacher, Mr. Lokesh sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to disseminate about my own state of Tamil Nadu, which is located in the extreme south of the subcontinent India. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean to the east and south, and by the state of Kerala to West Karnataka to the northeast, and Andhra Pradesh to the north. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. On the coast, in the northeastern portion of the state, Tamil Nadu represents the Tamil-speaking area of what was formerly Madras Presidency of British India. We the Tamils are especially proud of our Dravidian language and sculpture. The state is essentially agriculture, spanning over the area of 130.58 square kilometers. The governor of the state is His Excellency Mr. Banwarilal Purohit, and Honorable Mr. Edappadi Palaniswamy is the Chief Minister of our state. The major rivers of Tamil Nadu are the rivers Kaveri, the Palar, the Vaigai, and the Tamiraparani. The climate of Tamil Nadu is essentially tropical. The months May and June are the hottest months, and December and January the coolest months. Tamil Nadu has several national parks and more than a dozen wildlife and bird sanctuaries. The language Tamil is the oldest and longest surviving language of the world. Tamil, the official state language, is spoken by most of the people. Other Dravidian language include Telugu as well as Kannada and Malayalam. There is also Urdu speakers. English is used as a subsidiary language. Tamil Nadu is the 10th largest Indian state by area and the 6th largest by population. The economy of Tamil Nadu is the 2nd largest state economy in India. The majority of Tamil Nadu's residents practice Hinduism. There are, however, notable number of Christians and Muslims. With a small community of Jains, Tamil Nadu is one of the most literate states in India. The state's literacy rate is 80.33% in 2011, which is above the national average. The history of Tamil Nadu begins with the establishment of a trinity of the Tamil powers in the region, namely the Chera, Sora and Pandya kingdoms. These kingdoms enjoyed diplomatic and trade relations with Romans and Greek. Tamil Nadu was dominated by the Cholas, of whom Rajendra Chola was the most distinguished ruler. The Chola dynasty is one of the longest ruling dynasties that ruled South India until the 13th century. Is remembered for their brilliant architecture, and out of many temples, the Pragadishwara temple, the Gangaikonda Sorapuram and Airavadeshwara temple located at Kumbakonam, along with the monuments of Mahabalipuram, are designate as UNESCO World Heritage centers, which are the great living embodiments. The cycle of temple festival attracts large congregations of devotees. The Tiruvarur Car Festival is the world renowned. The Tiruvarur chariot is the largest one in Asia, with 96 feet in height and 300 tons in weight. The Trinity of Carnatic music. The outstanding trio in the 18th century being Yagaraja Muthuswami Dikshidhar and Sama Shastri, all were born in Tiruvarur of Tamil Nadu. Tiruvalluvar was a celebrated Tamil poet and philosopher. He is best known as the author of Tirukkural, a world-renowned collection of couplets on ethics, political and economical matters and love. The poet Subramania Bharati was one of the first to modify traditional Tamil poetry by blending popular literacy styles. The state of Tamil Nadu has given 3 Tamil Nobel laureates to the world, namely Sir C.V. Raman, Professor Chandrasekhar, and more recently Professor Venkat Ramakrishnan. Out of 10 Indian Nobel laureates, 10 Tamil Nadu can take pride in having given to India the most number of presidents. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan or Venkat Raman and missile scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. Let me show few photos of portraying the different forms of dance and festivals Bharatanatyam, Karagatam, Kolatam, Kummiyatam, Kavediyatam, drama with dance, Kuravanji, Silambatam and Bommalatam. Pongal is the major Tamil festival. In Tamil Nadu, food is served in banana leaf as a mark of hospitality. I hope you enjoyed the information and thank you very much. Thank you.